We've improved the initial experience feedback in the case of poor connectivity. But what happens if the weather server goes down, or if we're behind a captive portal? In that case, we could get either no data or some form of corrupted data, and the user still will have no idea what is happening. Let's start by enumerating the states we want to communicate with the user about. While Java supports enumerated types, they're somewhat expensive and inefficient by comparison to using static final integer constants. So in Android, we recommend avoiding them. That being said, it would be nice to have some type safety, and that's where the annotations we've added to the Android support library can help. Well, first of all, what are annotations? In Java, annotations are specified beginning with an @ sign, such as the commonly used @override here. They contain information, or metadata that gets associated with the code in our app, but do not directly change the functionality of the code. They may be used by development tools and, depending on the way they are retained, may be read at runtime. To use the support annotations, we just go to Android Studio, to the Project Structure dialog, and add the Support Annotations dependency. Since the integer we are storing for our state can only have a few predefined values, it would be nice for our tools to be able to help us catch assigning unsupported values to our state and autocomplete the typing of variables of this type. The Support Annotations library provides functionality that does just that using the int_def annotation. Here's how this works. When we define our integer constants, we also create an interface annotation, as in this example from inside the AppCompat library. We then annotate this new annotation with int_def, containing the different integer constants that are supported. The retention policy of source tells the toolchain that we do not need to preserve this annotation in the class or at runtime, making the annotation not have an impact on our runtime or distribution sides. The IDE will now flag cases where we try to return a value not in this set from getNavigation mode, or pass an integer, not from this set, into the setNavigation mode method.